Assalamualaikum. Now we are starting our today's topic, invention and discoveries. Galileo was the first to discover the rotation of Earth. Kohler and Milstein discovered the monoclonal antibodies. Photography was invented by the Matthew Berry. Albert Sabin invented polio vaccine, oral polio vaccine. Dmitry Ivanovich Mendeleev, Russian, published his first variant of the periodic table in 1869. थोड़े नेम जो होते हैं साइंटिस्ट के वो थोड़े मुश्किल होते हैं, इसलिए अगर मेरी प्रोनाउंसिएशन में कोई गलती हो जाए तो आप प्लीज़ उसे खुद दुरुस्त कर लीजिएगा, ठीक है। एक्सरे मशीन वाज इन्वेंटेड बाय जेम्स क्लर्क. आर्थर कैम्पटन discovered X-rays and cosmic rays. Chadwick discovered Newton. Telescope was invented by Galileo. Penicillin was discovered by Alexander Fleming. Noble gas is discovered by Cavendish. Gunpowder was first invented in China. Velocity of the light was made by Michelson. Archimedes gave laws about flotation of bodies. Balloon fly up in air according to Archimedes' principle. Dr. Christian Barnard was first to perform heart transplant in 1967 in Cape Town, SA. First man to receive artificial heart was Dr. Bernie Becquerel. Barometer was invented by Pascal. Robert Hooke discovered cell in 1665. Atomic theory given by Dalton. Atomic number given by Moseley. Bacteria by Leeuwenhoek. Blood circulation by William Harvey. Calculus by Newton. CO2 by Fischer. Chlorine by S. Scheele. Oxygen by Priestley. Hydrogen by Cavendish. Dynamite by Alfred B. Nobel. DNA by Watson Crick. Electric resistance by Ohm. Electrolytes by Faraday. Electron by J. Thomson in 1897. Neutron by Chadwick. Proton by Rutherford. Ozone by Econbaum. Radioactivity by Becquerel. Insulin by Banting and Best. Human heart transplant by Barnard. Vaccine smallpox by Edward Jenner. Atomic bomb by Otto Hahn. Airplane jet engine by Olin. Balloon by Montgolfier. Barometer by Torricelli. Bicycle motor by Stirling. Bifocal lens by Benjamin Franklin. Burner gas by Bunsen. Calculating machines digitals by Charles Babbage. Camera photographic by Joseph N. Niepce. Computer electronic by G.P. Eckert and J.W. Markley. Digital camera was invented by Eastman Kodak. Gas engine by Daimler. Electric fan by Wheeler. Electric motor by Michael Faraday. Gunpowder by Roger Bacon. Gas engine 4-cycle by Otto and Daimler. Jet engine by Frank Whittle. Lamp incandescent by Thomas Edison. Montgolfier invented balloon. Talbot invented photographic paper. Dickinson invented paper machine. Lamp mercury by Hewitt. Machine gun by Gatling. Microphone by Graham Bell. Motorcycle by Daimler. Pen foundation by Waterman. Pen ball point John Lord Barrow. Piano by Christopher. Printing press screw type by Gutenberg. Rudder by Watson Watt. Refrigerator by Ferdinand Carey. Rocket engine by Goddard. Safety pin by Walter Hunt. Stainless steel by Henry Burley. Steamboat by Albans. Telephone by Graham Bell. Radio by Macaroni. Telescope reflecting by Galileo. Telescope reflecting by Newton. Television machines by J.L. Baird. Television electric by Farnsworth. Thermometer by Galileo. Thermometer mercury by Fahrenheit. Typewriter by Henry Mill. Celsius devised centigrade scale. Bacteria were discovered by Louis Pasteur. Proton was discovered by Goldstine. Christopher Cockerell invented hovercraft. What was invented by James Dewar in 1872? Vacuum or thermos flask. Electron was discovered in 1897. Oxygen was discovered in 1774. Thomas A. Edison was American. X-rays and cosmic rays were discovered by Arthur Compton. Blood pressure was discovered by William Harvey. Insulin was discovered by Banting. ECG invented by Thogen. Columbus Day is observed on the second Monday in October in 1774. Oxygen was discovered by Presley.